Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Bagger Don at Stock Market Caddy. Today is May 14th, Wednesday, and we have been incredibly busy over the last few weeks. And I want to thank everyone for subscribing to our YouTube channel, to our Twitter, for subscribing to our monthly membership, and certainly the Q Schools. And we're going to try to keep up with some of the going-ons within the market and also at Stock Market Caddy. I wanted to show you a very powerful tool of ours called the Swing Machine Plus and what you can do. It's an incredibly powerful program written to work on the incredibly powerful TradeStation platform, in particular their tool called Radar Screen. If you look at the ES on a daily, our signal went long 7 days ago at 56.52 at 5 p.m. on May 7th, and the trend is very, very strong. Also, the fear gauge. This is the middle, the center of the fairway, and we're at 70, and yes, the market can go much higher. This gives us the fairway radar. It gives us the daily pivot information. The support 1, support 2, support 3, R1, R2, R3, resistance levels. And it lights up yellow depending upon where it is. If it's in between S1 and R1, then the pivot point will light up. If it's between R1 and R2, then this will light up actually red. And as you go further up, the likelihood is the market's going to pull back. If it goes further down, the likelihood is the market may bounce. You can also use the fair gauge as well. A fantastic tool. This daily pivot doesn't change when we change this interval to an intraday, 60-minute. But the pivot information stays as a daily. 71 hours ago, the ES went long, 70 hours ago. Now we're going to put this back to a daily. You can actually use it down to 5 minutes as you've seen. You can do it down to seconds. You can even do it down to a tick level, as many people do. But I'm going to put it back here as a daily. We could put in another label row. Let me show you how easy this is. And we could call this the NASDAQ, and we could put in the NASDAQ as an example at NQ. Now this is the 5 minute. We're going to change it to a daily interval, and the NASDAQ went long 10 days ago at this price at this time on May 2nd, and the trend is solidly up. The fear gauge, there is no fear. We're at 70, and the market can certainly go much higher. The daily pivot is 21,350. It's right on the daily pivot, very orderly. And you get to see the support levels and the resistance levels. Sorry, I lost my voice there. If you had put on one mini contract 10 days ago, you're up $23,000. If you had done one micro, $2,300. If you had done 10 minis in 10 days, $230,000. Now maybe you want to see the NASDAQ 100. TradeStation puts together a symbol list to save you, and we can put in all of the stocks. Now we don't want it at a 5 minute level, so let's change this. Let's do this. Customize. Oh, I'm sorry. Go to Customize, All Symbols, and let's change it to a daily. How powerful is this? Now we can sort based on the percentage return. 22 days, Palantir has gone up 36%. Marvel 36%. Now the purse is only calculating one share. we could actually put in the number of shares or the amount of money. So please know that. So the money is just one share. We get all of the trend information, and we're not just signaling long, we also get short signals too. We have all of the trend information, and then we have all of the fairway radar. And you can get to see that, for instance, here, NVIDIA, it's been running, but NVIDIA is pushing the R2. The R3 is at 141. NVIDIA, the probability is most likely that it will pull back. Maybe if you're already long NVIDIA, maybe now is a good time to sell some covered calls. Or we could come down here to this stock here, GEHC, GE Healthcare. Maybe that's a good opportunity to begin to think about buying as an idea. You see, we can sort. I am Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com. We are about teaching folks how to trade both mechanically and robotically, removing the emotions out of our trading so that you can be patient, disciplined, unemotional, detached, and extracting cash flow from the money flow, trading futures intraday, trading options on a swing basis, and yes, using these tools, maybe on a weekly basis or a monthly basis, to invest for the long term. Be sure to visit our website, StockMarketCaddy.com. Send us your questions, and you're also welcome to call at 813-758-8263. Good luck, everybody.